Mastering Adjective and Adverb Clauses, a peer review approach. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial area of English grammar, the realm of adjective and adverb clauses. But we're not just exploring this topic. We're going to learn how to effectively review each other's work to reinforce our understanding. This is the essence of peer review, a powerful tool for learning. Let's take a quick refresh of our main topic. Adjective clauses, also known as relative clauses, modify nouns or pronouns. They usually begin with words like who, which, that, etc. For example, the book, which is on the table, is mine. On the other hand, adverb clauses modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often start with subordinating conjunctions like because, although, when, etc. For example, because it was raining, I decided to stay at home. Peer review isn't just about correcting errors. It's a way to expand your understanding of a subject. When you review someone's work, you get the chance to see how they approach a problem, which can offer new perspectives. It's also an opportunity to clarify your own understanding as you explain concepts to others. Here's a step-by-step approach for peer reviewing exercises on adjective and adverb clauses. 1. Read the sentence carefully. Look for the clause and try to identify if it's an adjective or adverb clause. 2. Evaluate the clause. Check if it correctly modifies the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, or adverb it's intended to. 3. Punctuation check. Look for any punctuation errors. Remember, an adjective clause that is essential to the sentence doesn't use commas, while a non-essential one does. Adverb clauses, however, typically start with a comma. 4. Provide constructive feedback. Point out any mistakes and suggest how to fix them. Be kind and constructive with your feedback. Let's try a sample peer review session. Suppose we have a sentence. The dog that barked at the mailman scared the child who was walking to school. We identify two clauses here. That barked at the mailman, adjective clause modifying the dog, and who was walking to school, adjective clause modifying the child. Both are essential to the sentence, hence no commas are used. Everything looks good here. That's it for today's session on peer review of adjective and adverb clauses. I hope you now feel confident not only in your understanding of these clauses but also in your ability to help others understand them better. Remember, learning is a collaborative process, and together, we can master the English language. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.